Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to make a uh, practical circuit which I have taught in the previous video. So this was the circuit which I have bought from the equation derivation of this. So this equation circuit is this circuit. So I already told how to derive this circuit and how to derive that equation, and this is a truth table. So we are going to make this whole circuit and then make the truth table. So to make this whole circuit, how many AND gates are there you have to count, and how many NOT gates and how many OR gate, and the ICs which we are going to use. So the IC for AND gate is going to be 7408. I have already made video on it, on a complete video how to use that IC. And one more IC we are going to use, it is 7404, and one more NOT gate after that we are going to use is OR gate, that is 7432. So all this IC I have already made an videos on it how to use them, and I'm going to use a breadboard. So already I have made a video on breadboard also. If you are new to my channel, see those videos which are very small and you will understand how to use them. Okay, so these are the things I am going to use make this whole circuit. So to tell in the brief how this circuit is made, we are going to take three strands, that is A, B, C, and also one knot of them. Okay, then first we are going to see the equation. I already told in the previous video how to use the equation and derive the circuit. So first I am going to connect A. So there is no telling about this because I have already made a previous video where I have told completely how to make this circuit, and this is a truth table. So I have made already a circuit. This is going to be a messy circuit, very messy circuit. So here are the ICs. So the first IC which you are seeing is a NOT gate IC, that is 7404, and the second and third ICs are 7408, and the last IC you are seeing is a 7432. So these four ICs I am going to use and make the connections as you can see this one. And where are the ABC? These three are known as ABC. Yellow is A, so and red is B, and green is C. So these three you can see them. So we will verify this truth table using this breadboard. So let me verify it. So first I will give the input as A has 0, B has 0, C has 0, and get Y has 0. Y is nothing but an LED where I have connected it here. So this is an LED, and how to connect the LED also I have made many videos, you can watch them. So let me connect A, B, C. So A will be has a 0, and one more thing, here first line whichever it is there, it is a 5 volt, and second line is a ground. So this is 1, this is 0. So first line is 1 and second line is a 0. So now I have to give a 0, so I will put all them in the second line. So after putting them in 0, the LED got off, that is Y is 0. So now next output to C, A and B is 0, C is 1. So which is C? The green wire is the C. So let me take only green to 1. So let me put it to 1. C, Y is still 0. Okay, next one is A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. So let me take C back to 0 and put B to 1, that is red wire. So still Y is 0. Then I will check next one, that is going to be 0, 1, 1. So A is at 0, so A is still at 0, B is at 1, C is at 1. So just change the B. So B is which one? So B is red one. No, wait. So B is 1. I already put B in 1 in the previous case. Now I have to put C, that is green one. So let me take the green one and put it to 1. See, after making this connection, that is 0 1 1, y is 1, so the LED is glowing, so the we output got it as 1. So next input we are going to give is 1 0 0 0. So A is 1, B and C are both 0. So A is 1, that is yellow wire. Let me take it there. So I put it. Now I have to put this both to 0. See, I have made this connection, that is 1 0 0. So the LED got off, that is y is 0. You have got it as 0. Then next one is 1 0 1. So there is A is 1, B is 0, C is 1. So just put the C, because A is already at 1, this yellow wire is already at 1, and C is which one? C is green. So we want 1 0 1, right? So B has to be staying where it is. So let me put this 1. See, we have put 1 0 1. So A is 1, B is 0, and C is 1. Green is C, red is B, yellow is A. So 1 0 1, we get 1. So we have got 1. So the next one is 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. These two you verify it yourself by making this whole circuit. If you find any difficulty in making this circuit, let me know in the comments. This is a very complex circuit. You might be seeing very complex wires, but this is how the starting of PCB. So this is a very complex, but when you make this in PCB, you might not see any wires. So that is what the all about electronics. So that's it for today. Thank you.